In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present a PDF in Google Meet. Whether you're giving a presentation for work, sharing documents with your team, or collaborating in a virtual classroom, knowing how to seamlessly share a PDF can enhance your communication. So, let's dive right in and guide you through this process smoothly. First, you'll want to head over to Google Calendar. This is because Google Meet sessions are often linked to calendar events, making it a handy starting point. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Once there, find the scheduled Google meeting you plan to join. This might be a meeting already on your calendar or one that's been shared with you. Click on the event to select it. Next, you'll see the option to join with Google Meet within the event details. Click on this button to launch Google Meet. As the Meet interface opens, you'll be presented with a preview of your camera and microphone settings. When you're ready, go ahead and click on Join Now to enter the meeting room. Once you're inside the Google Meet session, look at the bottom of the screen where you'll find the option to Share Screen. This feature allows you to present documents, slides, or any content visible on your monitor to everyone in the meeting. Click on this option to proceed. Now you need to access the PDF file you want to share. The most straightforward way to do this is through Google Drive. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to Google Drive. Once there, locate the PDF file you intend to present. Click on the PDF file to select it, then head to the top right part of the window and click on More Actions, which is typically represented by 3 vertical dots. In the drop-down menu, select the Share option. A pop-up will appear where you can adjust the sharing settings of your file. It's important to make sure that the document is accessible to others in the meeting, so you might see an option labeled as Restricted. Click on it, and then select Anyone with the link. This ensures that anyone with the link can view the document. Once done, hit Done to save these sharing settings. After adjusting the settings, go back to More Actions and click once more on Share. This time, you'll want to use the Copy Link option. This copies the hyperlink to your clipboard, allowing you to easily share it. Return to your Google Meet session. In the bottom right corner, you'll find the chat icon labeled Chat with Everyone. Click here to open the chat box, then paste the link you just copied into the chat. Finally, click Send Message to share the PDF link with everyone in the meeting. With this, every participant can access and view your PDF through the shared link, allowing you to effectively collaborate and present your content. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to present a PDF in Google Meet. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your presentation.